Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make cashew nut celery porridge. Hope you like it. I found this recipe online and decided to give it a try. The porridge tastes light, but has the crispy taste of cashews, so it's not bad. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: rice, celery, cashew nuts, dong chai preserved vegetables. I have washed and soaked the raw rice and put it in the refrigerator to freeze, but unfortunately it has not yet hardened because it has only been there for 2 hours. The recipe I found said that frozen raw rice can be quickly cooked into dense porridge, and it is very smooth. Let's roast cashew nut to enhance its flavor. 160 degrees 10 minutes. Smells so good. Crush the cashews in half. Remember not to crush them too much, or you won't be able to taste the flavor. It is easier to crush if it is wrapped, so it won't fly everywhere. There is a lot of sand in the dong chai. Remember to wash them clean. Peel and cube celery. Add rice into rice pot. Rice and water ratio is 1:8. Add dong chai and celery. Start cooking porridge. Porridge is cooked. Add cashew nuts and mix with porridge. Dong chai has enough salty, seasoning with salt if needed, at own preference. Let's eat! The original recipe for this porridge does not include preserved vegetables. I changed the recipe myself and thought that the porridge would taste better with preserved vegetables. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Cashews are rich in oil, which can moisturize the intestines and promote bowel movements. They also have good skin beautifying effects and help delay aging. Cashews also contain a large amount of protease inhibitors, which help prevent cancer. Cashews are rich in oil and can easily make people fat, so people who are trying to lose weight should be careful when eating them. Some people may have allergic reactions to cashews. People who eat cashews for the first time should eat them in small quantities and be cautious. The recommended daily intake of nuts is 20 to 30 grams, which is equivalent to 10 to 15 cashews. For normal adults, cashews are sweet, nutritious, crisp and delicious, and contain a large amount of nutrients such as linoleic acid and unsaturated fatty acids. Therefore, the recommended daily intake for each person is 10 and no more than 15. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.